2004, the US National Cancer Institute launched the Alliance for Nanotechnology in Cancer. It was then where the world experienced a breakthrough. Research in biology, engineering and materials science was stimulated and coordinated to push cancer, nanotechnology, forward.
The first thing to know what cancer is. Cancer is a disease caused by an uncontrolled division of abnormal cells in part of the body. Cells start doing abnormal things. For example, old cells don't die and new cells are created when they're really not needed. These extra cells can divide without stopping and may cause growths or tumours.
So, how can nanotechnology be used to treat and detect cancer? Nanotechnology can detect cancer-associated molecules even if they fall in the mutant percentage of cells. Some of the earliest stages of cancer progression using nanotechnology provided researchers with the opportunity to study manipulation of macromolecules.
So, we visited University of Western Sydney to find out more info.
So if we're thinking about treating cancer, if you were to take a nanoparticle and you'd wrap it up or have a drug inside it, it's a way of delivering it to a cancer cell. It's like a bomb with its payload, delivering it to that cancer cell. And it means too that it can protect them and actually get them to the cell.
So, some ways that scientists have formulated to cure cancer are through the use of gold nanoparticles, where an anti-drug is loaded into a nanoparticle, which is then transmitted to cancer cells to treat them. Another way is through quantum dots, where light-emitting nanocrystals are used to destroy cancer cells or tumors.
What about the future?
I think the future is very, very bright for nanoparticles. If you look at the literature that's being published in the academic journals, there are many, many papers being written where we've got nanoparticles or that sort of technology being incorporated into drug delivery or catalysts or a variety of other things.
To conclude, the use of nanotechnology is branched out wide and is used to research in numerous fields of science. But as young scientists, the scientific concept of nanotechnology in cancer is important to communicate to others, as it will be a part of the future. The current practice in manipulating and controlling the matter at the atomic level will be developed and could one day become a possible cure for cancer, where nanoscale objects will inject an anti-drug into the cancer cells, or these nanoparticles will assist in destroying the tumours in whole.